Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Instagram account has been suspended. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open any of the search engine you have on your device, be it Safari or Google. Simply open that, go to the search bar and type in Instagram support. So you're going to make sure that you click on the official website of Instagram, that is help.instagram.com, and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So here you're going to search for access and download, press return or enter, and you'll be able to see a couple of options in front of you. So you're going to click on this one that says information available to download from your Instagram profile. Simply click on that and you'll be able to see some additional information like this. So if you're able to see a contact us button, simply click on that and submit a form. If you're not able to do so, you can scroll to the bottom and you'll be able to see an option that says chat with Meta AI support assistant. Simply click on that and then you can simply paste this prompt. That is, I have an Instagram account, but I can't find the information I'm looking for, and press enter. Simply press on that and wait for the Meta AI to respond. And now it's going to say, what information are you looking for on Instagram? So you can simply type down your full name, your Instagram username, and your country of residence, along with the email associated with your Instagram account. And then it's going to process the data and give you the result. Or additionally, it will forward your request to the Instagram support team and they will contact you.